Hi viewers, welcome to our channel Shantarani Metric Higher Secondary School Kallal. This is Hamsadwani, PG Assistant in English, posting you this video. Through this video, we are going to learn a poem from Unit 3 in 12th Standard, All the World's Stage, written by William Shakespeare. William Shakespeare belonged to Elizabethan and Jacobean ages, which was also known as English Renaissance period. He was born in Stratford-upon-Avon. His date of birth was unknown, but baptized on 26th April 1564. He had written 37 plays and more than 150 poems. He started his career as a theatre artist, then poet and a playwright. He was known as the Bard of Avon. We all know that the life cycle of a butterfly takes place in 4 stages: egg stage, caterpillar stage, pupa stage, and an adult butterfly. In this poem, Shakespeare compares the world to a stage and men and women to mere actors. And a man goes through 7 different stages during his life: a crying infant, a complaining schoolboy, a lover, a bearded soldier, a wise justice, an old man, and second childhood. In his first stage, as an infant crying, he'll be. And in the second stage, he'll be a complaining schoolboy. And in the stage 3, he'll be a lover. And in stage 4, he will be a bearded soldier. And in stage 5, he will be a wise justice. And in stage 6, he will be an old man. And in the last stage, he attains second childhood. Shakespeare compares the world to a stage and men and women to actors. Every player plays 7 roles during his life. The first stage is of an infant when he is helpless in the arms of his nurse, mewling and puking. For your convenience, I have given the figure of speech which is given in that line nearer to that. Shall we listen to that? All the world's a stage, and all the men and women merely players. They have their exits and their entrances, and one man in his time plays many parts, his acts being 7 ages. At first, the infant, mewling and puking in the nurse's arms. In the second stage, he is a reluctant child unwilling to go to school. The third stage brings before us the lover who sings awful ballads for his beloved. Shall we listen to that? Then the whining schoolboy with his satchel and shining morning face creeping like snail unwillingly to school, and then a lover sighing like furnace with a woeful ballad made to his mistress' eyebrow, and then a soldier, and whining expresses unhappiness, creeping, walking slowly, satchel, a soldier bag, and furnace, place where fire is made. Woeful means unhappy. The fourth stage arrives quickly as a soldier. Here, man seeks fame. He endangers his life for it, but it is nothing more than a bubble, full of strange oaths and birded like the part, jealous in honor, sudden and quick in quarrel, seeking the bubble reputation, even in big cannon's mouth, and then is a justice. Here, pad refers to a large cat which is leopard. Fifth stage is that of a middle-aged man. He has a round belly. He cites modern instances. In fair round belly, with good capon lined, with eyes severe and bird of formal cut, full of wise saws and modern instances, and so he plays his part. The sixth age shifts. In the sixth stage, man becomes very weak. His shank has shrunk. Shank refers to his legs, has shrunk. His manly voice turns into a childish treble. His voice is not clear due to loss of teeth. Into the lean and slippered pantaloon, with spectacles on nose and pouch on side, his youthful hose, well saved, a world too wide, for his shrunk shank and his big manly voice turning again toward childish treble, pipes and whistles in his sound. Last scene of all. In the last stage, man's condition becomes miserable. He loses the hearing, seeing, and teeth too. He loses everything. He is forgotten by all. He waits for his exit from the world. That ends this strange, eventful history. Is second childishness and mere oblivion, sans teeth, sans eyes, sans taste, sans everything. Sans is a French term which means without, and oblivion means completely forgotten by other people. I hope you understood this poem. Here are some appreciation questions for you. Try them out. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel for further videos. Thank you.